this video is for all of our guest and client service agents on the process of doing gift cards. Here's our Game and Ride gift card. We're going to show you today how to issue and redeem them. First, sign into the Tender Card system for gift card management. When you sign in, you'll notice on the left-hand side we have a menu with the following titles: Reporting, Virtual Terminal Gift Transactions, Loyalty Transactions, and the Admin section. Reporting deals specifically with reports. Gift transactions deal with our gift cards and gift card amounts. It's in money amounts. Loyalty transactions deal with loyalty points. We use that only for our employees when managing points related to upsells. So you don't have to worry about that section. Specifically, you're going to worry about the gift transactions section under the virtual terminal. First, we're going to issue a gift card. All of these gift cards have zero value until you actually issue them to a client. So we're going to pull a gift card out from our pile, and you'll notice on the back of the gift card is a unique identification number. In the manual entry box, process the card by putting in that number. So for this gift card, it's 8700915800000996. Then tab to the amount. How much is going on the account? If this is a card that someone has purchased and they told you that they want $50 or $100 on the card, then of course you're going to bill them separately and then issue the card. But for this is a $350 gift card that we're giving out to a school that has asked us for a donation. So the amount will be for $350.00. The invoice is blank because they have not paid for the card. The operator is your name, and it expires typically 1 year later. So today is July 6th, and a year later will be 2011. So we're going to change this to 7/6/2011. For the comments, we'll put that this is a donation and that no money was received. Then we need to put the name of the school that we're giving this to. In this case, this is for the Marlboro Educational Foundation. And I have their address as 1980 Township Drive in Marlboro, New Jersey, 07746. There is no discount, there is no code, that's the information. To finalize it, you need to hit process. It's now issuing the gift card, and you'll receive a confirmation page. This gift card is now active and can be mailed out to the client in an envelope and card. If someone ever calls and they would like to know, well, how much is the card worth? You would sign into the terminal, click Balance Inquiry, and type in the number that they give you on the back of the card. I'm typing in this card to just double check the amount. Hit process, and it will tell you that it is a approved $350 card, and it tells you who it's been issued to. If anything has to be redeemed, you will enter the transaction just like you would in the Game and Ride Connect system. Book the party and go ahead and apply payment. But you wouldn't apply a credit card payment, you would apply a cash payment. And then in the notes section, put the gift card number. After you do that, you need to come into this Tender Card system and redeem the card. If you don't redeem the card, they can use the card over again. So in this case, we're going to put in the amount, first put in the number, and we're going to put in the amount that they're redeeming it for. Most of the time, people use the full amount of the card, but if there's $350 on here and they only want to use 100 of it, then we would put in the amount that they want to use and click process. Once you click process, it will tell you whether it's approved or not approved. So let's show you an example. We know that the gift card that we just made was for $350. But let's say they want to use it and their total amount was $400, and we put in $400 and click process. It's going to tell us that there's insufficient funds because there was only $350 on this card. Once it's approved, then you want to make sure that the approval number goes back into the Connect system. But in this case, we have no approval. We have insufficient funds. If this was approved, you would have the authorization number. The authorization number should be the number that goes in when you accept the payment and apply a payment in the Connect system. Once you accept and redeem a card, it's still active. The card could be used again. They could load up more money onto a card. So someone doesn't have to throw the gift card away. They can keep the gift card until it expires a year later. If someone wants to change the name on the account, for example, we can type in a card number, and maybe they want to give the gift card to someone else. They can process it. It comes up with the member's information, and you can change it. Maybe instead of it being to the Marble Educational Fund, it's going to be a specific person's name. You can change all of that and hit process. So those are the various functions on the tender card system on how to issue and redeem cards. Issue a card is to give out a card. Redeem them is that someone's using the card to pay for services, whether it's for an entire party or they just want to use $20 from the gift card to pay for pucker powder or just for a portion of their event. If you have any questions, please ask, and this is the video on gift cards.